threats, security concerns and their countermeasures. In this video we would explain few attacks, threats and security concerns for Layer 2 of OC model and their countermeasures. Arp attack. This attack is also known as Arp spoofing, Arp cache poisoning, or Arp poison routing. In this attack, attacker is able to send spoofed Arp messages. Here the aim is to associate the attacker's MAC address with the IP address of another host, such as the default gateway, causing any traffic meant for that IP address to be sent to the attacker instead. Software that detects Arp spoofing generally relies on some form of certification or cross-checking of Arp responses. Uncertified Arp responses are then blocked. These techniques may be integrated with the DHCP server so that both dynamic and static IP addresses are certified. This capability may be implemented in individual hosts or may be integrated into Ethernet switches or other network equipment. The existence of multiple IP addresses associated with a single MAC address may indicate an Arp spoof attack, although there are legitimate uses of such a configuration. In a more passive approach, a device listens for Arp replies on a network, and sends a notification via email when an Arp entry changes. Anti-Arp also provides Windows-based spoofing prevention at the kernel level. ArpStar is a Linux module for kernel 2.6 and Linksys routers that drops invalid packets that violate mapping, and contains an option to repoison/heal. Let's understand multicast brute force attack. The multicast brute force attack proceeds when a switch receives a number of multicast frames in rapid succession. This causes the frames to leak into other VLAN instead of containing it on original VLAN. This might also cause a scenario similar to denial of service. The multicast brute force attack can be stopped by a well-equipped switch which prevents the frames from leaking into other VLAN and therefore containing them in the original VLAN. Spanning tree protocol attack is the attack when a malicious user sends a STP message with a priority 0 value, thus making a new root bridge, thus compromising the entire network. It can be avoided by disabling spanning tree function to the entire user interface. This can also be done by enabling root guard on Cisco equipment or BPDU guard on user's port to disable priority 0 value, thus the malicious user won't be able to gain the root bridge.